Big delivery. I wonder what's inside. Let's find out. So let's get them unboxed and see what it is. Now, if you've been following the socials, you would might have guessed already what it is. So, yes. Kubala. So, 50 in a pack. Now they have two types of clips. One that will do tiles from 3mm to 16, and then from 12 to 21. And you can get those in 1mm, 2mm, 3mm, and so on. I go for the 1mm. So those wedges will work with these types of clips. And here they are. Come in a nice bucket. Yeah, they're the 1mm, and these are the 3 to 16mm bases. Nice bucket, and I'll be using these from now on. I do prefer the wedge systems over any other leveling system. I just find these are quicker to work with. But I've done my research and found that these are well packaged. You get a nice mixing bucket out of it. So I'll be using these on the next one. These are courtesy of Pro Tiler Tools. So thank you very much. So I just wanted to show the quality really. I've read a lot about them, a lot of good comments. The quality of the product and the breakout of the clips is very good as well. All my installations I use a 1mm joint. Just personal preference, I like tighter joints. I think clients like the tighter joints as well, less grout. But yeah, it's quite a big wedge. But yeah, it's very similar to another brand, but this is the Kubala Smart Level. And these are the 1mm clips. I look forward to using this. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, turn the notifications on, that way you won't miss a thing. But I'll see you on the next one. Ciao for now.